Let me show you how to create realistic mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, select your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the umbrella stand to select it. Press Ctrl J to cut the image from its background. Let's name it Stand Body. Select your Rectangle tool from the toolbar. And draw a rectangle. Click Fill. And select any color for shape. Right-click and convert it to Smart Object. And then decrease the opacity. Press Ctrl T to free transform. And right-click and choose the Distort. Click and drag of the corner handles. Right-click again and choose the Warp. Now use these handles to distort the shape and match it to your umbrella stand bodies. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%. And then right-click and create Clipping Mask. Double-click on this, and rename it, Your Design. Let's place the design of the umbrella stand by double-clicking on the thumbnail. Go to File. Place Embedded. And place your image. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter when you're finished. Go back to File. And choose Save. Go back to the original image. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider of the underlying layer. Click OK once you're satisfied. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Make the radius 2 pixels. And that's it. Hope you liked it.